is really just one habit that forces your brain to stop consuming. And this is something you could literally be doing right now that will make it so easy to be focused, productive, and disciplined. But first, you need to understand the consumption cycle. It goes like this. You feel empty, so you consume. And then consuming makes you feel even more empty, so then you go back to consuming. Consuming is distracting yourself from the void that you feel because you're not doing this one habit. And it all ties back to dopamine. When you artificially spike your dopamine, you get this feel good, you get this spike, and then eventually you get the crash. And this dopamine crash is what makes you feel unmotivated and it makes you feel empty. There's a rule of thumb that will change your life. Anything that feels too good without effort is going to ruin your life. Any activity that is very stimulating, that feels really, really good, without any effort behind it, is going to ruin your motivation and your mindset. You see that feeling of, I don't feel like doing anything, that is dopamine depletion. So now let's talk about the one habit that forces your brain to stop consuming. And you see that habit is creation. For me, that's making these videos on YouTube. As soon as I started making videos, creating, putting my creative energy and efforts into something, I started to feel better. I started to be more productive, more focused, and more disciplined. My whole life became better as a result. And this applies to anything: creating art, creating paintings, creating drawings, creating music, creating a life plan, creating your work. Anything that involves creation or creativity is going to level up your life in ways that you cannot even imagine. You see, the word creativity comes from create. The act of being creative and creating something and expressing your deepest and truest energy is the highest form of living. It doesn't matter who you are. If you are a human being, then you have an innate desire to create, to express yourself, because suppression of energy leads to feeling depressed. And if you feel depressed, the easiest way to cope is to distract yourself. And that is why it feels so easy to pick up your phone. It feels so easy to distract yourself, to entertain yourself, to consume. And of course, there are levels of consumption. Like watching a video like this is educating you, it is informing you, it is raising your level of consciousness. And that is why you have to be aware of what you're consuming. Consuming by itself is not bad, but consuming without creating, that is what is going to ruin your life. Because if you can create, then consuming serves a greater purpose. It helps inspire you, it helps give you ideas, it helps create your dream life, your blueprint in your mind. Everything you consume, every information you receive is changing your mind subconsciously or consciously. And by influencing your thoughts and your mind, you influence your reality and your life. So you need to positively influence and positively change your mind, your thoughts, your consciousness, so that you can create for yourself a greater life. Most people are living at a low level of consciousness. They think that everything is impossible. They think that the life they want to create, the dream reality, is out of reach. So the one habit that forces your brain to stop consuming is simply creating. As soon as you start creating with intention, what happens is you no longer feel empty. And if you don't feel empty, you're not going to be forced, or you're not going to feel the need and the desire to just endlessly consume. So if you're consuming too much, you're on social media, you're on your phone way too much, you need to address the root of the problem, which isn't consumption. The root is not creating. So chances are you know the pain of living in a state where you're constantly consuming, you're not creating enough, and you're constantly in the loop and barrage of procrastination, of mental fog, of a lack of clarity as to what you want to achieve. You see, most people know what they want to achieve, but very little take action that aligns with what they want in life. So you need to ask yourself, do you want to be part of the 1% or the 99%? The truth is, out of all people, 1% is going to be successful. The rest are just going to keep living the same 6 months over and over again for the next 90 years of their life. So just to let you know, I have a private, tight-knit community, first link in the description, and I do not want everyone to join. I only want the people to join who are just done and just fed up with the same results, the same levels of failure, the same trials and errors, the same procrastination, the same lack of focus that is just blocking their success. If that sounds like you, click the link in the description. So with all that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, and you got this.